Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll review TunnelBear VPN and see if it's a good VPN for Android and iPhone in 2026. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. TunnelBear VPN is a simple VPN app that works on Android and iPhone, Windows, and Mac, and also it has some browser extensions. Its main goal is to help you browse more privately and protect your connection, especially when you are using a public Wi-Fi. So first, you can go and open your Play Store or App Store and look for Tunnel Bear Secure VPN and Wi-Fi and make sure to install it, then open it up. Of course, the best thing about Tunnel Bear is how is it easy to use. On Android or iPhone, both it's very easy. You just install the app, create an account, choose a country, and switch it to connect. For example, here I just download it. So now I'll just have to go and log in as example. I'll have to create an account if I don't have one, or log in if I do have an account. It just creates an account very easily. So here, it just create that and give it a good password, then create a free account. So they will send us a verification email to my email. So let me just go and verify that and come back. Or you make sure to do the same. So as you can see, they'll send you an email like this, and all you need to do, just click on verify my accounts. Once you do so, you'll find email verified. So you can go back now to TunnelBear. So once you go back to TunnelBear, as you can see here, you can click on verified and they will check that you verify it successfully. You can choose a plan if you want to. You can pay yearly or monthly, of course, to get more features like unlimited secure browsing, connects all or from all of your devices, and access to city servers specifically instead of countries. If you don't want to, you can just go and click on close at the top right. Here you can enable notifications if you want that. And here you are. Of course, you'll need to know that you have a free plan, and on the free plan, you have 2 gigabytes of free data every month with no credit card required. That is very good for testing the app, but it's not enough for heavy browsing, streaming, or daily use. Of course, for privacy, TunnelBear says it does not log the user activity, and its iPhone page also mentions there's no activity login. So this is actually a good point if your main reason for using a VPN is privacy. You can see also that the design is very beginner friendly, so you do not need to understand advanced VPN settings. You can just choose an example the country that you want, and you can see since you are on the free plan, not every country is unlocked. You can have only the fastest option to connect to. Once you click on connect, as you can see, you'll need to give it some permissions both on iPhone and Android. So click on continue. Make sure to click on allow to give it some access. So here enter your passcode and it should be connected without any problems. If you have a plan, you'll be able to choose which specific country to connect to without any problems. So since Portugal is the closest to me, it's connected to Portugal very fast and with no problem. Now I am using a VPN and I can go and use it however I want. Keep in mind that TunnelBear is not perfect. The free plan is limited by the data that you have, by the country you cannot choose which one, but it's still useful if you're not going to use it for heavy browsing or you don't care about which country you want to connect to. So, is TunnelBear basically the best VPN for Android and iPhone? For beginners, it might be a yes. It is a good choice. It is simple, friendly, and easy to use. But if you want unlimited free data, very fast speed, or strong streaming support, then it may not be the best option. So my final answer is this. TunnelBear is good for people who want a simple VPN for basic privacy and public Wi-Fi protection, but not for heavy use. The free plan is too limited, and you may want to compare it with other VPNs before paying if you want that. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like and subscribe buttons and watch our next video.